Okay, so AI is literally everywhere right now. Everyone's talking about it. Salesforce, the companies, LinkedIn. But what does it actually mean? So, in this video, I just want to break it down in a very simple way. No complicated definitions, just the basics you actually need to understand. So, basically, AI is when computers can do things that normally needs human thinking, like learning, decisions, like decisions making, I mean, or improving over time. So instead of just following fixed instructions, they actually learn from data and gets better. That's really the idea behind AI. So, and this is where machine learning comes in. Machine learning is a part of AI, and it's how system actually learn from data. So instead of telling the system exactly what to do, you give it data and it figures out pattern. And the more data it has, the better it gets, right? So, and also a lot of people mix up like AI and machine learning, AI and ML. So easiest way to think about it is AI is the big concept and machine learning is just the one part of it. So, for example, a self-driving car is AI, but the part that learn how to drive from data, that's machine learning. So, and honestly, AI is already part of like your daily life, right? Like when Netflix suggests movie, or when Google Maps shows you traffic, or when even when you unlock your phone, like with your face, right? The Face ID. So that's all AI. And so it's not something in the future, it's already here. And it's not just personal use. Like companies are using AI everywhere. Customer service with chatbots, right? Online shopping recommendations, healthcare, finance. And AI is basically helping business work faster and smarter. And that's why it's such a big deal right now. And yep, so that's the basic idea of AI. Nothing too complicated, just a system that learning from data and improve over time. And in the next video, we are going to connect this to Salesforce because that's where things get really interesting.